There, Internet. So I just printed my first test print of the Phrozen Mini 4K, and here's a penny for comparison. Get that in focus. There you go. I mean, it's pretty impressive in some ways, and it's pretty not impressive in other ways. So the dimensions, I think, were like on two sides of the cube were really good, and then on one side of the cube it was about 10% off. But then there's these weird artifacts here. I don't know what exactly that is. I put this in an ultrasonic cleaner, and for whatever reason, the sides really didn't complete. So I'm going to guess that has something to do with the exposure settings. But you see how they kind of peeled away there. This is the orientation that it printed in. So you can see that the gaps kind of line up with that. On this side, though, looks pretty decent. This is the Phrozen 4K resin that came with the Sonic 4K Mini. So everything's 4K. But you actually can't see the gaps with, well, my eyes are not really that great, but you can't see the gaps with your naked eye. But what you can see is there is some layer shifting, and I'm guessing that has something to do with the way I did my supports here. So yeah, that's my first test print with the Sonic 4K Mini and the recommended settings. Thanks for watching.